Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class maths, trigonometry, new chapter I am starting. I have completed similar triangles. So now we are going to talk about the new chapter, trigonometry. So what is this trigonometry? First you should know it is uh, the measure of sides and angles of a right angled triangle. This is trigonometry, children. As an introduction, let us have a small discussion about a right angle triangle. If you have triangle ABC in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So we call it as right angle triangle. In this, what is AC? The name of AC is hypotenuse. What is it? It is the side which is opposite to the 90 degrees, that is hypotenuse. And BC, when I am talking about according to side C, basing on side C, BC, angle C, when I talk about BC is considered as adjacent side. Adjacent side for what? Of angle C. For angle C, BC is adjacent side. When you are talking about angle A, AB will be the adjacent side. And what is AB? AB is opposite side of angle C. Similarly, if you are talking this in terms of A, then we will be writing AB as adjacent side of angle A, and then BC becomes opposite side of angle A. So these trigonometrical problems, sometimes they deal with an angle of this side, sometimes they will deal with an angle of this side. So whatever is the angle that is asked in your problem, you should have a thorough knowledge about these terminologies. Of course, you know previously hypotenuse, base and height. This is what we used to talk about, and earlier in the Pythagoras theorem also, hypo square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, we said. And in case if you are finding area of a triangle, we used to usually take this as base and this as height. So we know these two sides names as base and height only. But as far as trigonometry is concerned, these are no more called as base and height. They are called as adjacent side and opposite side. Adjacent side of means this adjacent side and opposite side also depends upon the angle about which we are talking about. That means if you are taking angle C, this angle into consideration, for this becomes adjacent side and this becomes opposite side. If you are considering angle A, then this becomes adjacent side and this becomes opposite side, opposite to this angle, opposite to this angle. So which is adjacent side, which is opposite side depends upon the angle to which the problem is dealing with. If the problem is dealing with angle C, opposite and adjacent. If the problem is dealing with angle A, opposite and adjacent. So, for a convenience sake, to have a basic knowledge, I am giving you this, children. Please note it down. Then we will be seeing the next part of this topic. Now, you have got do this sums, children. Let me talk about do this sums. As I said here, they are asking to identify. You need to identify hypotenuse, opposite side, and adjacent side. For the given angles in the given triangles. As I have explained you earlier, children, the same thing is here. You have got first problem. You have got a right angled triangle. This is a right angle triangle. P, Q, R, and the first problem is talking about for angle R. So for this angle R, what is hypotenuse, what is opposite side, what is adjacent side, you have to give. So hypotenuse is the side opposite to right angle, that will never alter in any right angle triangle. It is same, that is PR. Next, opposite side. Opposite side for angle R. The problem is for angle R. This is angle R. For this opposite side is PQ. And adjacent side. So for angle R, adjacent means what? Immediate next. So for angle R, adjacent side is RQ. So these are the answers for the first problem, children. And second one, let me draw another triangle that they have given here. This is a triangle that is given to us. Here it is 90 degrees, X, Y, and Z. This is second problem, children. I can divide these two. Second problem. Here, first bit is you have to go for angle X. The first one is for angle X. Angle X is this. So, first let us have a talk about what is hypotenuse. So, you need to find out hypotenuse, and the next one opposite side and adjacent side. These are you need to find out hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side. For angle X, this is angle X. Hypotenuse, because it is 90 degrees, hypotenuse will not vary, that is X. So for angle X, opposite side is YZ and adjacent side is XZ. because hypotenuse already we have written, and we are always in touch with these two sides only. So here for angle x this is adjacent side, and for angle x this is opposite side. And second bit they are asking for angle y. So for angle y, let us talk about hypotenuse and then opposite side and then adjacent side. So hypotenuse anyway it is same, that is xy. Opposite side for angle y. For angle y opposite side is xz. And for angle y adjacent side is yz. So whatever explanation that I have given earlier, the same thing you are going to have here, children. Please note it down. Now the next part is defining trigonometric ratios. Various ratios are there. Let us define them. So the trigonometric triangle, the right angle triangle is ABC. What are different trigonometric ratios we are talking about? Now I am talking about angle A, for angle A. So let me talk about trigonometric ratios for angle A. As far as A is concerned, I am talking about. You have got the first one, sine A. Sine A formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the formula for sine theta. Opposite side by hypotenuse. In this figure, as far as this triangle ABC is concerned, I am talking about angle A. For this angle A, opposite side. Just now you have understood, children. According to the angle measure that we are taking, sine and means opposite side and adjacent side values will vary. So we should have first the clear cut idea about which angle in the right angle triangle we are discussing about. So I am taking that for angle A, we are talking about this sine A. Sine A means opposite side by hypotenuse as far as angle A is concerned. Angle A is concerned, opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. This is sine A. Now, cos A. Cos A formula, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. For this, adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Now, let us talk about tan A. Tan A actually is having a formula of sin A by cos A. So what is sin A, children? We have got BC by AC divided by cos A is AB by AC. How can you write this? This can be written as BC by AC into AC by AB. You are writing a reciprocal of it, BC by AC into AC by AC. AC will get cancelled. So what are you getting? BC by AB. So what is tan A definition? Tan A means BC means what do you call BC? Sin A is BC by AC and cos A is AB by AC. So BC by AC into AC by AB, we are getting BC by AB. So BC for sin A is this. What is this side? Opposite side. By what is AB? Adjacent side. So The formula for a tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta, theta we call, usually angle is called theta. Here I am talking about sin A. So sin A, opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos A, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan A, opposite side by adjacent side. But how this formula has come, I have explained to you here. Apart from these three angles, we have got their reciprocals, that is cosecant A. Cosecant A is 1 by sin A, that is reciprocal of sin A. So when sin A is BC by AC, it is AC by BC. The reciprocal of sin A, BC by AC becomes AC by BC, that is cosecant A. Then for cos A, you have got secant A. Secant A is reciprocal of cos A. Reciprocal of cos A is AB by AC, so it becomes AC by AB. This is secant A. Next you have got cot A. Cot A is reciprocal of tan A. So tan A, what you have got, BC by AB, so you will be getting it as AB by BC. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trigonometrical various trigonometrical ratios, children. These are all sin A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A, cot A. Cosecant A is reciprocal of sin A. Secant A is reciprocal of cos A. Cot A is reciprocal of tan A. So cot, sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. So this you should have a thorough knowledge, children. If you don't have this knowledge, you cannot do the problems of trigonometry. Trigonometry entirely is dealing with this 6 angles. Various topics are there. There's a very, very interesting chapter it is. Please listen to it carefully. You will understand it very easily. Please write down this. Do this first sum. Find sin C. First bit is sin C. Second bit cos C. And third bit tan C in the adjacent figure. They have given a figure, children. The figure is, you have got a right angle triangle. In this, it is A, B and C. Angle is given here. This is 5 centimeters and this is 13 centimeters. Now, to find sin C, cos C, tan C, as I told you, you need the measure of all the 3 sides. But we have only 2 sides. So, by using Pythagorean theorem, let us find third side. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. Therefore, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. This is basing on Pythagorean theorem. So we want AB square. AB square is AC square minus BC square. What is AC square? 13 square minus BC square 5 square. A square minus B square. This can be written as A plus B into A minus B, that is 13 plus 5 into 13 minus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18 into 13 minus 5 is 8. 18, 8. So what is AB, children? AB is equal to root of 18 into 8. So 18 can be written as 9 into 2 and 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Why am I doing like this? This will give you a very easy way of finding square roots. So root 9 is nothing but 3 into, instead of these two twos we'll write 1 2, into, instead of these two twos 1 2. So how much you are getting? 3 4, 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12. Therefore we have got AB as 12 centimeters. So AB is 12 centimeters. Now what is the first one? We want sine C. Sine C. Sine C means here. For this, what is sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is opposite side for sine C? AB. AB by hypotenuse AC. So what is AB? AB is 12 centimeters by AC is 13 centimeters. So 12 by 13 is the answer for sine C. Next, cos C. Second one, cos C. Cos C formula, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side, children? For C, adjacent side is BC by hypotenuse AC. So what is BC? BC is 5 by AC is 13. 5 by 13 is the answer for cos C. Now the third bit is you need to find out tan C. Tan C formula, opposite side by adjacent side. So what is opposite side for C? That is AB. Adjacent side is BC. So AB is 12 by BC is 5. This is the answer, children. So this is the sum of first one, children. I hope I am clear. Please copy it. Let us see the second one. Second one is in triangle XYZ. In triangle, in a triangle XYZ, angle Y is right angle. They are not given figure, they have given the problem. XZ is equal to 17 centimeters and YZ is equal to 15 centimeters. Then find sine, first bit is sine X and second bit cos Z and third bit tan X. So first let us draw the triangle. A triangle XYZ. So let me draw the triangle XYZ. This is a right angled triangle. In this, what they have mentioned? They have mentioned that Y is 90 degrees. Y is right angle. So this is Y, right? This is Y. So you can take X, Y, Z anyway, X, Y, Z or X, Y, Z. It doesn't matter. So what they have given here, X, Z is given as 17 centimeters and Y, Z is given as 15 centimeters. So here also you see two values are given, third value they have not given. So let us first find out that in triangle XYZ, angle Y is 90 degrees. Therefore, XZ square is equal to yz square plus xy square. Okay. Now what we need to find out? We need yx or xy. So xy square is equal to xz square minus yz square. So what is xz you have got? 17 square. Minus what is yz you have got? 15 square. That means 17 plus 15 into 17 minus 15. So how much this is? 1232 into 2. So you have got xy square as 32 into 2. So let us continue it here. Xy is equal to root of 32 into 2. So when I write the prime factors, we know that 2 to the power of 5. That means if you take 2 5 times, it is 32. You know it better. Already you have done in real numbers also many times. 32 we will be getting when you multiply 2 5 times. And you have one more 2 you have written. So square root means 2, 2, 2. You can take it out. So 2 into 2 into 2. How much am I getting? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So xy measures 8 centimeters. After identifying this, the first bit is sin x. Sin x. For this sin, what is the formula of sin? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So how much you are getting for this x? Opposite side is zy by hypotenuse is xz. So what is zy you have got? 15 divided by xz you have got 17. This is the answer for sin x, children. Second bit, they are asking to find out cos z. So first let us write the formula. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. So for cos z, z is here. So for this z, adjacent side is xzy. That is, adjacent side is zy by hypotenuse is xz. What is zy we have got? 15. Zy again 15 by xz is 17. See, both of them have got the same value. But what is differing? Here angles are differing. As far as sin x is concerned, this value is for sin theta. As far as z is concerned, this value is for cos theta. And the third bit, what is that they are asking? Tan x. So tan x, tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side for x? Yz. By adjacent side for x is xy. So what is yz, children? Yz is 15 centimeters by xy is 8 centimeters. These are the answers for second problem, children. Please note down. Third problem, children. Now, in a triangle PQR, right angled at Q. So, let us draw a right angle triangle. They have not given figure in your book, children. So, we need to draw the triangle PQR. So, in this, where should I keep right angle? Right angle at Q. This is right angle, of course, we know. But what is the name that we need to allot? The problem will give you. That is Q. So I should allot the name Q here. If I allot the name Q here, the remaining triangle is PQR, PQR. So in this way, I have written the names. In this, what is this? They say the angle P is X. So this angle P has got a specific name, that is X. And PQ is 7 centimeters. QR is 24 centimeters. So we don't know this. So let us find out that. That is hypo. Hypo they have not given. So in triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degrees. Therefore, PR square is equal to QR square plus PQ square based on Pythagorean theorem. That means we need PR square only. So QR square is 24 square plus PQ square is 7 square. So what is 24 into 24? So when you multiply 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 1 9, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 6, 7, 5. So you are getting its value as 576 plus 49. So to this 576, if you add 49, this is a 5 here, 11 here, 6 here. Okay. This is 576 and 49. If you add 7 for 11, this is 15, no? So 7 for 11, 12 children. This is, sorry. And this is 625 you are getting. 625 you are getting in this product PR square. So we know that 25 25s are 625. So what is PR? PR is root 625, that is nothing but 25 centimeters. So this is 25 centimeters PR. Now we are going to talk about sin X. What is sin X? 2 they are asking. First bit is sin X. See, in the earlier case, we have discussed about the vertex that is given to you. We have called the angles in the name of vertex. But in case if the vertex angle is given certain name, we are going to talk with that name only. Here this vertex P has given a specific name as X. So we will call the angle as the theta as sin X. So what is sin theta formula or sin X formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is opposite side for this? QR. By what is hypotenuse? PR. So what is QR measure? 24 centimeters. By what is PR measure? 25. So 24 by 25 is the answer of sin X. Now the next one they are asking about cos X. Cos theta formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side for this X? PQ by, this is PQ by hypotenuse PR. So what is PQ you have got? 7 by PR is 25. These are the answers for this problem, children. This is third one of do this.